Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to continue looking at the Kcse preparation test, Term 2 2023, Kisumu East Mathematics Association. Number 9, factorize and simplify the expression. So we got an expression here, x squared minus 9 divided by 5x squared minus 13 minus 6. So what we have in the numerator to begin with is what we call a difference of two squares, because for x squared we have a perfect square root, and for 9 we can also obtain a definite square root. Therefore, to simplify a difference of two squares, for instance, if we have a minus b, then this is simplified as the square root of each part, that is a, then minus b, and the same roots, now with a plus. So this is the factorized form of the right hand side. Therefore, now that the numerator is in that format, then we need to simplify it by obtaining the square root of x, then minus the square root of 9, the same roots, now with a plus. So the numerator is now completely factorized. We can look at the denominator. When we look at the denominator in this case, it is a quadratic expression, 5x squared minus 13x minus 6. What we need to do is to get a product so as to factorize of a times c, which is 5 and negative 6, giving us negative 30. Then a summation of b, which is negative 13. So now we need to look for two factors, which when multiplied they give us negative 30. When added they give us negative 13. These are negative 15 and positive 2. When we multiply, we will have negative 30. When we add them, negative 13. Therefore, we're going to substitute negative 13 with negative 15 and 2, such that we will have 5x squared minus 13x instead of minus 13, we should have negative 15 and positive 2x. This is now a substitution of negative 13. Then we have our negative 6 there. In every two factors, or in every two terms, we factorize whatever is common. So in the first two, we have 5x being common, so as to remain with x less 3, then plus, you can see 2 is common, and when we factorize 2, we remain with x and negative 3. Therefore, we can pick the common factor in this case, whereby we have x minus 3, then 5x plus 2. 5x plus 2. With that now, because the numerator and the denominator have been factorized, now we need to combine the factorized numerator and the factorized denominator. So we have x minus 3, x plus 3 divided by x minus 3, 5x plus 2. This is the numerator factorized, the denominator factorized. So in the factors, we can see there is a factor which is common in both numerator and denominator. We can simplify, and the simplified form of this expression is going to be x plus 3 divided by 5x plus 2. This is the form now which cannot be factorized further, and it will be our final answer. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share.